quick lesson. Tiny little fill for you, nice and simple. It's right, left, right, right. Easy peasy, but it's the way that you play it. Right on the hi-hat, left on the snare ghosted, another right on the hi-hat, and then you open your hi-hat at the end. Sounds like this. Easy peasy. So that's always in a groove context, but you can do it in a fill context if you want to, but I use it in a groove context, and I'll show you what it sounds like. Thanks very much. See you next time.